What's up there, Joe? Noise is down 50%. Check this out. That's full up. This is midway. But watch what happens when I ground the grid there for your preamp tube. Watch what happens. Let me not electrocute myself. I have shocked myself today. It's so funny. I've realized I've become reliant on having a pilot lamp. That's when you're getting a little cocky. And here we go. This is full up. Still present, but nowhere near. So let me walk you through what I've done so far. The only two suspects left at this point would be the volume pot and the preamp tube, but it's really not the preamp tube. I'm going to turn this off or unplug it. And so in case I touch something, I don't shock myself again. We don't want to do that yet. So let me just walk you through what I did. And I'll pardon the lighting, I don't have sunlight. I'll zoom in just a touch and grab a chopstick for you. So you can see all the coupling caps have been changed. The plate loads have been changed. Let's see, cathode bypass caps has been changed, as well as the resistors there. What else can I tell you? I can tell you that I ran shielded cable off the volume pot, and then over to the grids, in between the grids of the 6v6s. Like I said, we're split across the chassis, and installed a terminal strip here, ran discrete capacitors for your filter supply. Your plate supply for the preamp is grounding over here at the input jack, as opposed to all being tied out to this end here with all the dirty stuff, all the high ripple stuff. And then you can see the other filter supplies there, the filtered power supplies for the plate and screen supply, rather. Sorry, it's just a long day. And then you have your new power tubes there. And that's about it. Oh yeah, also I ran a twisted pair. I removed all the filament wiring and ran a twisted pair all the way around. And that's it, man. Excluding the general maintenance items like cleaning and retensioning the sockets, doing the jacks, the pot, the switch, that whole thing. I need to do grounded power cord. I'm waiting for that to come in. And beyond that, that's it. So I hope this finds you well. The rest of you guys too, happy, what is it, Friday? I don't even know what day it is anymore. Who even knows? I don't know anymore. I can't tell. You guys be safe out there. Bye.